Hi guys, Card and Linktree are two bio-link tools, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I will explain the main differences between Linktree and Card and will consider 6 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We will leave a link below this video in which you can get a free account for Card and Linktree, so you can also try them out for yourselves, risk-free. There is one fundamental difference between Card and Linktree. Ultimately, Card is more versatile. You can use it to create not only bio-link pages, but also websites for multiple purposes. You can use Card to create a one-page website to show links in bio, display a portfolio of art, collect leads, a profile page, and more. In addition to that, Card is also more customizable than Linktree in terms of design. Linktree basically has one use, displaying links in your social media bio. Not only does it offer pre-made templates that you can use as a starting point, but you can also customize buttons, fonts, and more. So let's find out which is better for you. For the user interface and ease of use, Card has a minimalist design that doesn't get in the way of your work. It has all the features you need for building landing pages, and it's easy to get started with your first page in just a few minutes. Card makes this process as simple as possible by providing a wide variety of free and premium templates for you to choose from. These templates range from simple one-pagers to professional-looking sites, and they come in different styles and colors. If you love designing your own site and would rather start from scratch, you can also use Card's blank canvas option. There is no need to install any software on your computer as everything happens in your browser window. And like Card, Linktree is also very user-friendly. Its interface is clean with no complicated features or unnecessary options that take up time and space. You can choose your own template like you can with Card, but the site's streamlined process makes creating your page a cinch. After signing up, you get to pick from 6 themes and then you are good to go. These themes are all beautiful and minimalistic, and you can customize each one to fit your needs with just a few clicks. Now for the analytics, with Card you can add an optional Google Analytics tracking ID to each of your sites to track and report traffic. Linktree also integrates with Google Analytics. However, it also has free built-in analytics that includes data regarding mailing list integrations, social icons, subscribers, and more. So even without Google, you still have data. Now for the custom domains, since it works like a website builder, Card offers to publish sites to any custom domains you own with full SSL support via Let's Encrypt. Linktree on the other hand always keeps its own domain. What changes is the logo, which you can remove on premium plans. And in terms of aesthetics and appearance, Card has a slight advantage. For starters, it offers more templates to choose from and they all feature a different look. However, some of the templates do look similar to Linktree's options. As mentioned earlier, Card is also more customizable, even on the free version. Not only can you change the colors and the fonts of each individual element, but you can also upload an image or choose a background color for the entire page. On top of that, Card offers more layout options through its templates, so you can have more creative freedom there. As far as Linktree goes, the only option you have on the free version is to choose a different theme of your Linktree page. Everything else, such as choosing the colors for your buttons, using a different font, uploading a custom background, and more, is available on the premium version. However, keep in mind that while it is possible to create a custom look for your Linktree page, the basic layout is the same, a stack of links with your profile photo at the top. And for the mobile application, Card doesn't have a mobile app at the moment. It can be viewed from your phone and will display correctly on just about any screen size, but you still need to access the platform from your browser if you want to create or edit your pages. In contrast, Linktree does offer a mobile app for both Android and iOS devices. With the app, you get quick and easy access to your page and all of your link stats. You can also use it to add new links, schedule them, or change their appearance. The app also allows you to add images directly from your phone or tablet while you are on the go. Now for the pricing, as mentioned earlier, Card has a free plan that you can use to create your link in the bio page. The free plan gives you access to all of the card's core features and allows you to build up to 3 sites, which is useful if you have multiple brands to promote. Card's paid plan is extremely affordable at $19 per year. It unlocks a few extra options: the ability to add more sites, custom domain, the ability to add contacts and sign-up forms, integrations with third-party tools and widgets, PayPal, Stripe, Typeform, etc., Google Analytics integration, and the ability to remove cards branding. There is also other paid plans like ProLite, which cost $9 per year. Card has 4 plans: Free, ProLite, Pro Standard, Pro Plus. Card offers a 7-day free trial for their top pro features, no credit card required. As far as Linktree goes, you can get started for free and include as many links as you want on your page, as well as collect payments, tips, and add videos to your links. The downside of the free plan is that you are limited in terms of customization. The starter plan, $5 per month, allows customization features and analytics. The Pro plan, $9 per month, allows multiple admins to manage one link tree, and the Premium plan, $24 per month, gets access to a customer success manager. So choosing between Card and Linktree depends on your business and your needs. Card is a great option if you want a more flexible solution that's more customizable and offers more templates. If you want a free tool that still has decent features. If you want a more affordable tool compared to Linktree. Linktree may be the perfect fit for you, especially if you want a solution specifically for displaying links, if you want to keep track of how each of your link is performing, if you just want something that works without spending too much time on design. However, considering that both tools have free versions, it can make complete sense to test out both tools for free to determine which one is best for you. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot, thank you. So hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.